Hey, what's up everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to connect Stripe to your Shopify store. As you may know, Stripe is one of the most popular payment providers used by Shopify stores. By integrating Stripe, you can accept credit card payments and other methods seamlessly on your Shopify site. So in today's quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can easily connect your existing Stripe account to your Shopify store in just a few steps. First, you want to log into your Shopify admin and then go to the settings. In the left menu, click on payments. And here you can view any payment providers that you currently have enabled, as well as add new ones such as Stripe. To connect a new provider, scroll down and click on choose a provider, and then search for and select Stripe from the list. Stripe will then ask you to log into your Stripe dashboard account, and if you don't have one already, you can easily create a Stripe account directly integrated with your Shopify store. Enter the email address associated with your Stripe account along with your Stripe password and then click login. It's going to send a verification request to your Stripe account to confirm that you want to connect Stripe to your Shopify store. And following the verification, your Shopify store and Stripe account will be synced. Stripe will now show as enabled under your payment providers. Once it is connected, you can start accepting Visa, MasterCard, and even Apple Pay payments powered by Stripe. It's going to automatically appear as payment option during the checkout on your Shopify store, and customers can securely enter their card details, which are then safely tokenized by Stripe. You can also expand to using Shopify POS and other tools to take in-person payments using Stripe card readers. One thing to keep in mind, however, is that Stripe may not be available in every country or region. So if you don't see Stripe as an option to add in Shopify payments, then you may need to change your country settings in Shopify itself. In most cases, however, connecting Stripe to Shopify is quick and simple. Just follow these steps to log into your Stripe account through Shopify payments. Stripe makes it very easy to accept a wide range of customer payments on your Shopify store, so make sure to give it a try today. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it to be helpful or informative to watch, then let us know by giving it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can create similar to this one.